Oh my god, it's already bright out. So I woke up at 4 a.m. this morning because it's Thingy's birthday. And wait, it's closed? Okay, I just took the... I think it's this way. But no, I'm not EMG. This way, Padreta. Oh no. I wonder if I can go that way. I'm going... Oh! It's this way. I have 3 minutes to find it. Bruh, where now? Bruh, this says downstairs. Are you kidding me? Okay, I'm gonna go downstairs one more time. Okay. It's like too early for it to even be open. But I ordered an Uber. So basically this pancake place is really popular right now.
We are going to the most famous pancake place in Japan.
I've been waiting 5 years to take my friends to this one place in Tokyo.
We waited 8 hours for these viral souffle pancakes in Japan, and it was so worth it. We lined up at 7:30 a.m. and we were already too late.
Which is great because our checkout is at 11. But people start lining up at 6 a.m., 7 a.m. Right now it's 5:08. And I'm really scared if I like walk around and wait for a train station that I'll miss it, or I will be late in the line, so we can only eat at, let's say, like 2 p.m. And I really want Thingy to have these pancakes for breakfast. Then like we can explore. I'm really excited. Also woke up so I can finish packing. I know he will probably want to sleep in. I have everything ready to go. So he should just have to change his clothes and we can go enjoy these pancakes. My pickup is here. konnichiwa. And it's 5:12. Should be getting there at 5:26, so we'll see how many people are in line. But that's crazy that people line up or get up that early just to get a reservation and then come back to have their pancakes. But apparently it's very worth it. I'm very happy that I can do something like this. I'm very excited for all of us to enjoy these pancakes and for Thingy and Amla. Hopefully it's just a nice breakfast and they don't feel like I did too much and like burdensome. I hope everyone enjoys it. And yeah, happy birthday. I don't know who really watches these videos, and I don't know if you guys really know Thingy personally. Oh my god, I'm gonna cry. But he's more than what people see online. I feel like it sounds too good to be true because it almost is. Like, he's just a really amazing person. So happy to be able to spend his birthday with him in Japan. And tonight is our flight back to Korea. So hopefully we get a good time for these pancakes because it's our last morning here. I've seen that a lot of people have to try 2 times because the first time that they go, they are too late. So fingers crossed. I think this is the place. Maybe it's not. Where is it? Excuse me?
Yeah.
Do you live around here or?
Yeah?
Do you know where the really famous pancake spot is? Across the street?
Yeah?
It's right there?
So, yeah.
Oh, it's this! This
Yeah,
one?
benizuru.
Oh, thank you so much.
Thanks.
Thank you. Oh my god. Oh, yay! This is what it looks like. I wonder when the second person will come. Let me just make sure this is the right place. I would not have been able to find this without help.
I'm Stefan from San Diego and trying to eat at this pancake spot, Messi Murray, for like 3 days in a row. Yeah, it's been busy. Come at 6:30 at least, and you're probably like 30th in line if you come like at 6:30.
And yesterday you said you came at 6:30.
Yeah, and the soonest time to eat was 12 o'clock, which it didn't work out for us because we had plans.
It wasn't
Tengah sugar sauce. Me, in the pangdışta and the gabla miyore. Oh God. Okay. Miso muna pancake sum mashnga mindo and deposit como sumdong. Okay, tengah gyugo hotel do tinggilang. Did it?
Did it?
Yeah.
Oh, wait.
진주대. Sold out time 8:20. Dilla. 돼지 요리 망고 깨지 잘한다. 까만이 된다. 태민이 된다.
Thank you. Chocolate loaf banana, one seasonal.
Heart.